Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Venmo privacy settings and transaction notifications easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once on the home screen, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings from the list. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. You will see three options: Public, Friends, and Private. To change your privacy settings, tap on the current option you have selected. If you want transactions to be visible only to you, choose the Private option. If you want your friends to see your transactions, select Friends. Tap Save to apply your changes. Next, go back to the Settings menu. Now, look for the Notifications section. Tap on Notifications to access your notification preferences. Here, you can customize the types of transaction notifications you wish to receive. You'll see options for payment requests, payment confirmations, and more. Toggle the switches on or off for each notification type according to your preference. Make sure to review all categories to ensure you have everything set up as desired. Once you've finished adjusting your notifications, exit the Settings menu. Your new privacy settings and notification preferences are now configured. To verify your changes, try making a small transaction and check if the notifications appear as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.